This is 53A Mann Hill. It's a cute little duplex, all one floor living, which is kind of amazing. And it's a great location because you're right down at the intersection in Holden where you've got the grocery store and you've got a pizza and a Dunkin' Donuts at a Subway and a furniture store. It's sort of awesome. And you can go up this road to Brewer and Bangor. You're literally like 10 minutes into Brewer and Bangor or 15 minutes into Ellsworth. So it's a great little location. This is a 2-bedroom. It is set up with easy access, so sort of everything. It's got open floor plan. Sorry, I'm just taking my shoes off. So a lot of space, way more spacious than most units. It's, got a big dining area as well as a massive living room area. So it gives a lot of space. It does have a coat closet as you come in. Has a little breakfast bar. I kind of tried to think of everything. It has propane as a main heat source, but it also has a heat pump, which does give you heat and air conditioning in the summer. It is super nice. All in-ceiling lighting. It has a back door, which goes out to a nice area. So you have your own outside space and tenants can have patio set or whatever if they want. And you've got trees right behind. You also don't have a close neighbor on either side. So it's a kind of a little bit of a private location, even though you're close to everything. As you walk, there is, because it's new construction, there's switches everywhere. Very nice setup. You've got a washer dryer that comes with a unit, and that's a little unusual. The owner kind of tried to think of everything. It comes in its own laundry room. And then you've got the full bath here, which it's got full tub shower combo. You notice the dual shower head. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. It does have, notice they did mounting brackets, and there's even like a grip holder there, which is kind of nice. Medicine cabinet, extra lighting, bath fan. And then in here, you've got 2 bedrooms. Has ceiling fans in both, which is really nice. Good sized closet space over on this side. A lot of natural light because they did the double windows. I think probably this is the master because it's got a little bigger closet. It's got the dual closet. But it's that whole length, which is really nice. It does have electric baseboard in here too for more heat if somebody really wants it. But the propane unit will heat the whole thing as long as people leave the doors open. Very efficient because it's super insulated because it's new construction. These are about 5 years old. Really awesome. Square footage wise, it's a couple hundred square feet bigger than your typical unit, mostly because of the space that's in this main living area, which is just massive. So it is available right away. The tenant just moved out of it, the original tenant, and you can tell it looks awesome. She left it really good. So let us know if you're interested. We can schedule viewings with just our rental application completed on our Rent Bangor website.